Are you ready? Are you steady? Go in, let's go, 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 go. There we go, where's the blue one? The blue one's here. There we go. And let's do another colour then, so it's all gone. Go, 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 go. But this time, instead of running, I want you to jump around. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go then. Go, 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 go. Remember, you got to match the colours up for me. Match it to the colours. You need your hand up, please. Right, this time, instead of jumping, you've got to walk. So you've got to do it really slow. You've got to walk. Remember, avoid the spot. Walk in. Okay, you can only walk. Remember, only walking this time. Walk in, there we go. Archie. There we go. Walk in, there we go. Find the colours if you can.